Good morning, children. Today's word of the day is rules. 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 Children, what is the meaning of the word rules? Instructions which are given to us. It means compulsory instructions which we have to follow. I will explain you with the help of some examples. Let's see. This is our classroom. This is, for example, in our classroom, children, we follow some rules. What are those? Can you tell me some? Yes. When we enter in the classroom, first of all, what you should do? You should wish your teacher. First, you should keep your classroom neat and clean. When you are going out of your classroom, what you should do? You should switch off the fans. These are some rules which you have to follow as a good student. Yes, children? Okay. You can see this picture. By seeing this picture, what you guess? These symbols, this picture is about traffic rules. Let's study. Green light say to go. Yellow light says that we should wait. What does a red light say? To stop. In the same way, we should always walk on the footpath. It means there are certain traffic rules which are meant for our safety. So, as a good citizen, we should always follow these rules. See, children, what it is written? Stay home. So, who has said this? Our government now. Our government wants that we should be safe, seeing the present condition due to COVID-19. So, it is an important instruction given by the government to us that we should stay home to save us. So, it is also a rule which we should follow. Now, today's thought of the day is believe you can and you will. Repeat after me. Believe you can and you will. It means, children, that you should always have faith in yourself. Then only you can do anything and you will succeed also. Let us see some examples to understand it more clearly. For example, you are doing any sum and you think that you are not able to do it. So this thought you should have never in your mind. You should have trust in yourself that you can do it. At least you should try. When you will try, you can succeed and you will. So always have faith in yourself. In this picture, you can see some cubes here. These cubes are arranged and only this cube is unarranged. What you have to do, children, you have to arrange this cube in this format. So first, before arranging this, you should have trust, belief in yourself that you can do it, you can arrange it. Then only you will succeed and you will do it. Children, in the same way, there are many competitions which held in your school. Yes. So one competition is there which usually holds, that is race. Yes. So before participating in the race, you should have faith that you can win. You can do it. Have this faith, have this courage and participate. You will definitely succeed in it. Thank you.